Jobber gets expensive fast once you add more users, which is why a lot of small contractors start looking elsewhere after the first few months. By the end of this, you'll know the cheapest Jobber alternatives in 2026, what each one does better, and which one makes the most sense for a small crew. Here's the quick answer. If your goal is the lowest cost, Kickserve is usually one of the cheapest field service options. If you want more features without jumping into high-end pricing, Workiz and Housecall Pro are the names most contractors compare next. Start with Kickserve. Kickserve is built for small teams doing scheduling, estimates, invoicing, and customer management. It covers the basics without a complicated setup. That's the appeal. If you're a 1 to 3 person operation doing HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, or handyman work, Kickserve usually feels lighter than Jobber. The trade-off is fewer automations. Jobber's reminder systems and workflow customization are stronger. Next is Workiz. Workiz is popular with locksmiths, garage door companies, and appliance repair businesses because it combines dispatching with call tracking. That matters if most of your business comes from inbound calls. Instead of juggling separate systems, Workiz keeps it in one place. The downside is it can feel built more for fast response businesses than long project work. Then there's Housecall Pro. This is usually the closest direct replacement for Jobber. It has online booking, automated reminders, payment processing, and technician tracking. The layout feels familiar if you're moving from Jobber. The difference is pricing structure and feature packaging. Some contractors switch because Housecall Pro bundles features differently, which can lower costs depending on team size. If you want the absolute cheapest option and don't mind building your own workflow, there's also Trello or ClickUp. They cost less or can even start free, but you lose built-in estimating, invoicing, and customer payment tools. That means more manual work. So what should you pick? Pick Kickserve if budget is the priority. Pick Workiz if phone-driven jobs are your main lead source. Pick Housecall Pro if you want something closest to Jobber without learning a totally different system. That's the real breakdown. Cheap doesn't always mean better. The right move is matching the software to how you actually book, schedule, and get paid. Your next step is simple. List the 3 features you use most in Jobber, then compare those first before switching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more software comparisons and contractor tool breakdowns.